Hello everybody, this will be part 2 on the grill situation. Went ahead and had the birthday burgers. Everything went fine, or so I thought. However, the same thing happened to this tube. So what I can tell, it slipped off the outlet there through the control valve and it burned through again. So that being the case, I changed things up a little bit. I got on the old Jungle website and I got some heavy duty burner tubes there. The mixer tubes right there, and so far those seem to be working well. I've used it a time or two since, but unfortunately it was this far one that burned through, and in the process it burned up the igniter, so that had to be replaced as well. But good news, the side burner is back in action again. And another little different about that one, it takes a AAA battery instead of a AA. So I don't know if you can tell any difference on the controls panel there, but everything is back working again. Let's give it a little test. There's that. Let's do the side burner. Look at that. Now I can do the grill. Look at that. We're back in full business. So that is awesome. Very good. So ready for some more grilling. I did get this insert for a griddle. I got a plan to make some smash burgers. I fried some bacon on it not too long ago. We had a big crowd for the birthday, and that worked beautiful. And I didn't have the smell of bacon in the house all day. So we are all good on the grill. So this will conclude part 2 of the grill opening for the patio opening of 2026. Thank you for watching.